John spends most of his day sitting at his desk. Now he looks like a shrimp. At first, he didn't think much about it, it's just work, right? But slowly his shoulders began to run forward, his neck started jutting out, and he was in pain almost every day. He blamed stress or maybe just getting older. What he didn't realize was that hours of slouching were weakening his muscles, tightening his hips, and putting his spine under constant strain. Now, even standing up straight feels unnatural, and the worst part, he looks tired and tense even when he's not. The same is happening to most of us. We spend so many hours sitting at our desk or looking at our phones that it is causing us to suffer from constant back and neck pain, breathing issues, fatigue, and an ugly appearance. I used to have a terrible posture too. I used to spend lots of hours playing video games, so my back started to round forward. I didn't pay much attention, but I was constantly having neck pain and back issues, so I purchased lots of things to alleviate the pain, and all I was getting was short-term relief. But once I started fixing my posture, everything began to change. I walk straight now, my neck doesn't hurt like it used to, and for some reason, even my confidence improved. So if you're struggling with this, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can finally fix your posture and stop your life from getting worse. Let's begin. The problem is that most of us spend most of our waking hours either sitting or looking down at our phones. Actually, most people now spend more hours staring at screens than sleeping, and their spines are paying the price. Every time you look down at your phone, that puts up to 60 pounds of pressure on your neck, and you do it hundreds of times a day. Over time, your body adapts to this position, so your shoulders round forward, your chest tightens, and your core weakens. A bad posture not only hurts your back, but it makes you look less confident, less energetic, and even older than you are. The good news is that fixing a bad posture doesn't require expensive treatments or hours at the gym. It comes down to retaining your body, strengthening the right muscles, loosening tight areas, and building habits that support a natural, aligned posture every day. Over time, with simple, consistent steps, you can reverse the damage and feel stronger, more confident, and pain-free. So here are some things that can help you with this. The first step is to strengthen the muscles that keep your spine in place, mainly your upper back, shoulders, and core. These muscles act like the scaffolding for your posture, holding you upright all day. Exercises like rows, face pulls, and planks are simple and effective ways to build this strength. Here are some exercises you can do to strengthen these muscles. Next, you want to release the muscles that have become tight from sitting and slouching, your chest, hip flexors, and neck. Stretching these areas helps open your body up and makes it easier to stand tall. Here are some exercises you can do for this. Strength and flexibility alone aren't enough if your daily habits don't support good posture. Pay attention to how you sit and stand, keep your screen at eye level, avoid looking down at your phone for too long, and take breaks every 30 minutes to stand, stretch, and reset your posture. Something that helps me a lot with this is a back straightener. I still have a tendency to round my back when I'm sitting, but this little thing helps me stay straight. Remember that long-lasting results come from consistency. These exercises and habits only work if you do them regularly, even if it is just 5 to 10 minutes every day. This is not something that you do once and that's it. No, you need to stay consistent and perform a series of habits that can benefit you in the long run. Set reminders and track your progress to help you keep going. In a few weeks, your body will thank you, and so will I if you give a like to this video. So that's pretty much everything for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.